Hello everyone, this is Jack at Padgetts Motorcycles. Today I've got a really lovely bike to be showing you. This is a 2010 Suzuki GSX1250FA. It's the ABS model coming with full luggage as well. I think the major things with this is full service history, 21,000 miles and brand new disc and pads. I don't know if you can see clearly, the photos bring it up a lot nicer. Check in, all the exhaust is clear, no major marks or scuffs. All in all, a very well looked after motorcycle. The 3-piece Givi Luggage offers you unrivaled luggage capacity for that tour away with your partner. It's also fitted with an alarm immobiliser, heated grips, sat-nav mount for a Garmin, and I'll just disarm the alarm so you can see the alarm working there. Flick on the bike, 21,056 miles. I'll just get it started up. Lovely sound, gear position indicator. Guys, no matter how sweet this bike is, the sweetest thing about it is it's yours for £5 under 5 grand. That's right, 4,995. You can have yourself the perfect touring tool for this summer. So what you want to do, you want to ring Padgetts Motorcycles on 01924 478 491 and get in touch with us for all your motorcycle needs. Cheers for watching.